Okay, we have the puppies. They're at 2 weeks now, and I decided to get in here and hold them while I'm filming because I can't keep them awake long enough to get a video. She's already yawning. This is little Muffin. She's, all the girls are about the same size. She's the one with the most white on her as you're looking at the pictures in the nursery. This is Mallory. She has the 2 little stripes across her shoulders, a little strip on her face. I think I already said this, maybe not. Their eyes are open. I don't know that you'll see that when you look at the pictures. Let's see. And this is little Molly. Again, just a tiny white strip on her face. And just a little tiny stripe across her shoulders. Are you guys going to wake up now a little bit? That would be nice. And then the boys, we have Mateo. He's the one that has just the little white strip on his shoulders, and just a tiny little white on his nose, and of course his white legs. He's the smallest of the boys. And then we have Marco, and you can always tell him because he has a stripe, a white stripe across the middle of his tail. I'm just loving this litter right now. Everything that I can tell at this point, they have beautiful heads, nice stops, nice ear sets. This is little Max. And Max is the biggest puppy in the litter. And he also has the most white on his face. Yes. Oh, you're a sweet boy too. You've got some kisses for me. Oh my goodness, you have some kisses for me. You guys are just too comfy. I'm not going to go to sleep, or they're not going to wake up.